What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man's Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up? How's everybody doing today?
Hey, doing pretty good myself, but as per usual, ladies and gentlemen, here at the ClearCryptos channel, we focus on the education, but we also focus on the news. And today, we got some very interesting news for the crypto space. As you guys know, NFTs is a part of the crypto space as well. And one of the leading NFT creators or sellers out there is Bored Ape Yacht Club. Everybody can try to imitate, everybody can try to, go along their pathway, go deviate, but they are the king of the NFT space. They created a great following, made a lot of money, had a ton of transactions, and today they introduced an incredible partnership with none other than M&M. All right, so M&M releases an NFT-inspired candy. So Kingship and M&M partner up with Bored Ape Yacht Club, releasing a limited edition M&M candy featuring Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT imagery on it. According to the candy company, the deal is between Mars and Universal Music Group's 10/22 PM label, which licensed the Ape NFT images for the notable collector. So as you can see, Watcher Guru was all over this and says consumers' expectations for what they want from the favorite brands have shifted. At Mars, we know we need to be more innovative than ever with such cultural famous brand like M&Ms, says Mars Wrigley Global Vice President James Wong. Now, before we go into the impact on what this has in the crypto, I'm gonna pass the mic over to Justin. He's going to walk you through kind of some other information that came out about this. So go ahead, Jay.
All right, so there was a huge video announcement that came out about this, and we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look at it. Yeah, no, it's a really dope video, a really cool way to let everybody know that there's a partnership with M&M and Ape and the BAYC NFTs, and then also I've got a picture of the price per box. So here you can see the M&M Kingship limited edition M&Ms, and they are $99 per box. And then they include all the 6 colors of your favorite M&M candies, and then you get the NFT apes on there for BAYC. Now, if it was me and I'm buying one of these boxes, I'm not eating a single M&M because I can buy M&Ms way cheaper. I think this is completely a collector's edition for anybody who is interested. So yeah, I would not be touching any of these candies.
Yeah, man. I mean, you go back and look overall, like what this means for the NFT space or the cryptocurrency space. This is just another example of crypto not going anywhere. I say it basically on every single video, not going anywhere. And this is what we call expansion, combining brands and bringing more eyes on the NFT space as well as crypto. As we take a look over here, we look at the price of ApeCoin. It's up 3.82%. Why? Because not only is the market moving up, but ApeCoin also had a great catalyst today. ApeCoin is attached to NFT, the BAYC NFTs. If you guys don't know, it is the native token that was issued to a lot of the NFT holders, and now it's actually become tradable on multiple platforms, including regular trading platforms such as Webull and Robinhood and stuff like that. So got a nice spike on that news. Buy the rumor, kind of sell the news event. Came back down, and I'm sure there's going to be more to this partnership than just this one limited edition candy. However, that's all the news that we have for you guys on this edition of ClearCryptos. We just wanted to make sure we covered it so you guys are more than aware of what's happening in the NFT and cryptocurrency space. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you know that when we go live or release a video. But from the ClearCryptos educational channel, my name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. The guy above me is Jay Seals. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.